guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. On today's video, we're going to be talking about best time to upload videos on YouTube. This is something that might be very difficult for you when you're just starting YouTube, because you really don't have enough data to be able to tell what is the best time to upload on your videos on YouTube. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips on how you can figure out what is the best time to upload on YouTube. And if there's any other tips you guys know that you guys would love to share that has really worked for you, please comment below. I'm very sure a lot of people will be very happy to learn from you guys. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's dive into the first tips on how to figure out what is the best time to upload videos on YouTube. Is look, where is your audience located? So where is your audience located is very important. So your audience location is very important, because that could literally help you know when is their morning, when is their afternoon, and it could also make you just make a research on YouTube on when is the best time to upload based on the location that you have already. So knowing your audience location, I think, is very important, because it could literally help you for sure know what is the best time to upload on YouTube. And you can also, for you to figure out what is your audience located, you can literally just check it on your YouTube. Go to your YouTube channel, go to the analytics, and go to the geographical location, or like the location. Probably you're gonna see that your audience, where they are located. If you have like two audience and they have one is located in France and one is located in the US, you can just look for a unique time that works for both people and just upload your video. So knowing where your audience is located, I think, is very important. It's one of the best way to literally find out when is the best time to upload, because you want to be uploading video when they are still awake or when they are just waking up. You don't want to upload video when they are sleeping, for sure. You want to be uploading video when they are active on YouTube. So knowing where your audience are located is very important. It could literally help you know when is the best time to upload your videos on YouTube. And the second one is going to be ask your audience. Your audience are the best people to tell you when is the best time they are active on YouTube. In as much as you know their location, probably if you ask your audience, even though you don't have a lot of audience already, the numbers of audience you have, ask them when is the best time you guys would love to see me upload videos. And I'm very sure your audience are going to be very happy to respond to your message and tell you what is the best time that works for them. And you could literally find the best time to upload video by you asking them, asking your audience when is the best time, what is the best time that works for them, what is the best time they are more active on YouTube. And if they tell you, you could just figure out what is the general numbers that you've seen. Maybe some people say 2, 3. You could just decide to upload your video maybe 1 before they come online, or around that 2, 3. Also, to help you just find the best time to upload, asking your audience. I think they are the best. They are your audience, are the one that watch your video. They are the first people to watch your video. Before YouTube will recommend your video to other people, they want to recommend it to your audience first. And if your audience watch your video, they react well, they like, they comment, then YouTube then recommend your video to other people. So people that YouTube recommend your video first to is the people that are subscribed to your channel. And you want to be able to like make sure that people that are subscribed to your channel are watching your video and they are liking your video when you upload it, so that YouTube could recommend your video to new audience and potential subscribers and get more views. So I'm going to say asking your audience what is the best time to upload is one of the best ways to also know when is the best time to upload. And the next one is target your audience morning. Targeting your audience morning, I think, is a very good way to be able to tell when is the best time to upload. And just knowing when is morning in the US, if your audience, you have a lot of audience from the US, know when is their morning and make sure you upload video that morning time, because it's very good. Because if they didn't come to the YouTube in the morning time, but they come to the YouTube like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, your video is already there waiting for them, and they are likely going to watch your video because they're subscribed to your channel and they like your video. So when you upload in your target money, your target audience money, high chances they're going to see your video and they're going to watch that video. So knowing your target audience money and make sure you're uploading video during that time, I think would literally help your channel get more views, get more subscribers, and maybe get more watch time also. So targeting your audience money, I think, is very important. Just make sure you upload video before they wake up. So make sure if your audience money is like probably 6 o'clock, make sure you upload maybe around 5 a.m. Just try to upload videos so that when they come to YouTube, when they wake up, your video is there waiting for them already, and they get to watch your video. And or even though they come during the day, maybe later in the day, your video is there. You don't want, like I said, you don't want to upload videos when your audience are sleeping, because who is going to watch your video? No one is going to watch your video. It's going to really, that first impression that YouTube is going to have about your YouTube is like people are not watching your video. And it's not because people are not watching your video, it's because you upload it in the wrong time. So make sure you upload your video in your audience money. And one other tip I'm going to be sharing with you guys is research has been shown by YouTube that uploading videos during the week time, if you upload your video around the 2 to 5 p.m. is a good time to upload your video, because people are likely to be on YouTube, are more active on YouTube during that time. But that is like in YouTube in general. And during the weekends, it has been said that 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. is a good time to upload videos on YouTube during the weekend. And that one really makes sense to me, because it makes sense that people are going to wake up, do their house chores, and then come to YouTube, maybe watch their favorite YouTube, or just see what is going on during the weekends one. So I think that weekend one really works for me, because I can upload my video around 12, 11, and people still come to YouTube, and when they come to YouTube they watch my video. So I think around that 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. is a good time to upload your video, depending on your audience location. I think everything literally goes back to your audience location. Where your audience is located determine what time you upload your video, and you want to make sure that you upload your video maybe when your audience are on YouTube, or before they come on YouTube. So like in the morning time, few minutes or few hours before they come on YouTube. Just do that. And I think with time you're gonna have enough data on your YouTube channel where YouTube is gonna tell you what is the best time to upload. But before you have that, just kind of figure out what works for you, what is the best time. And one thing I also do that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is I try to upload video different time. When I start my YouTube channel, I upload like sometimes by 2, by 3, and I did that like for like few videos that I upload, and the time that I literally had more views was around that morning time, was around that 10, 9, 8, and I then decided to upload I started deciding to upload my video in the morning. But most of the time I was uploading before I figured that out, I was uploading my video in the night time, and then I'm hoping that when people come to YouTube in the morning, they see my video. But that really didn't go well for me, so I think I just kind of upload different time. I try to upload video different time, and then I figure out what time I get more views when I upload my videos, and that helped me know what is the best time to upload. But I think with time you're going to figure out what time works for you. But before you figure that out, just know that it's going to take time, and just keep uploading. The more videos you have on your channel, the more data you have to go back to and be able to tell what time works for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if there's any other video you guys would love to see me do, please comment below, and I'll be very, very happy to make that video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.